A UK employment tribunal has passed a judgment in favour of a former Wipro employee, Shreya Ukil, who alleged sex discrimination, victimization and unequal pay to women in the company. Shreya had moved court in London in December 2015, calling the work atmosphere in the company as unbearably sexist and predatory. The court will now determine a compensation amount as remedy for her losses.
Fired from her job as head of sales Europe, Shreya Ukil did not go to headhunters for a new job. She instead went to the UK Employment Tribunal to sue Wipro for sex discrimination, which she has now won. The tribunal found the dismissal of Shreya Ukil unfair, although not wrongful, as that contract was not breached. She was consistently victimized, called names like shrill, shallow, un-European. The tribunal found many instances of sex discrimination, including unequal pay as compared to her male colleagues. The verdict also said there wasn't enough evidence to prove she was sexually harassed. 40-year-old Shreya Ukil, currently unemployed, said in a statement, "I raised the issues to the internal ombudsman several times, but they did not address it even once. Women who are confident, capable and express their viewpoints are often called emotional, menopausal by some male peers."
It's very good news for Shreya Ukil. She has won her claims on sex discrimination. The tribunal also found that because she was raising well-founded and true complaints about sex discrimination and equal pay, that the leadership directed that she be removed from her job.
The tribunal has dismissed Shreya's complaint of sexual harassment for lack of evidence, but some observations made on grounds of sex discrimination and unequal pay, which she has won, are rather damaging and point to larger issues. Do women in some corporates in India get paid less than their male colleagues because they're women? And do the internal ombudsman in companies do free of prejudice and independent inquiries after complaints are addressed to them from employees? Wipro has not directly responded to the case on sex discrimination and unequal pay. Instead, it has responded to the grounds dismissed by the court, including sexual harassment, by saying Wipro Limited is pleased the UK Employment Tribunal has upheld the dismissal of the complainant from the services of the organisation as appropriate and rejected claims of adverse cultural attitude towards women in the organisation. The company has built its business over the years by ensuring it adheres to the highest standards of integrity, fairness and ethical corporate practices. Radhika Iyer in London, NDTV.